Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to another episode of the Arkesh Gadhvi show, and today in this video we will discuss what are the types of brands. So friends, there are so many types of brands, but in this video we will talk about only personal brand and your company's brand. So friends, first let's talk about what is a personal brand. Personal brand is how you promote yourself. It is about your skills, personality and experience. Personal brand helps you to differentiate yourself from your competitor. Now let's talk about what is a company's brand. Company brand reflects identity of your company or its products or its services. Company brand is all about how you promote your company or its products or its services. Company brand helps you to differentiate your company's brand from your competitor companies. So friends, these are the difference between personal brand and company brand. So friends, don't forget to like if you like this video, comment and share with your friends. If you are new at channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.